First, the material is leather.
Okay.
And the black one is for night. And in the morning, it's very hot.
Understood.
And it's very brown.
Okay. Okay.
So
When students are doing client project, their engagement and their sense of ownership is at its peak. And the learning that takes place during that time is very rich.
The material you said was leather, right?
yeah.
Do you wear leather in the summer? Don't you think it would get a bit heavy?
The whole idea behind the school is the child is the stakeholder. We want every child to believe that I can do what I want to do and I can be the person I want to be.
We have never learned to give up in the school. It's all about I can.
Client project is a wonderful process at Riverside and it takes place across all the grades. It's a very important way for children to understand the relevance of what they're learning. The client is from the real world, different people in different professions. The teachers first meet the client to understand the client's need. Then with the client, you co-create what is the end result that you want from the children.
The client gives you a project to do and then you have to work on it. You feel it's so real and we like having challenges and all.
Before any client project, we look at the content we are going to cover in the particular classroom. Our unit was adaptation. They are learning basically about different habitats and which animals survive there. When we looked at this kind of program of inquiry, we thought that who can be a client for us?
Good morning, Riverside.
Do you all remember him? Yes. Who is he? Captain Ayush. Okay.
Our client is Captain Ayush and our client project is to make a uniform, one for the desert and one for the mountains.
I'm open to ideas. That is what I've come to you all for. Good luck.
Yesterday we were doing our first draft.
This is a picture of desert. So, desert is sandy. Desert is hot. We really looked at two parts when we were designing the uniform. The color has to camouflage with the background, but along with that, the feel of the material is equally important.
So then there was a snow group and a desert group, and the snow group had to put some cotton for the background and the desert group put some sand to make a habitat.
Take it like this.
And then we had to choose the material. There was fur, there was synthetic.
Touch the particular fabric and decide is it good for desert or no. And if it is good for desert, why? You need to give me the reasons for it, okay?
So like I chose leather for the shoes because leather cannot get torn easily. And I choose wool for the t-shirt and pants because wool works in hot and cold also.
Okay, Alaya is going to make the uniform which can be used.
Both these sides.
This side they wear it at night and this side they wear it at
Morning.
We definitely share this idea with our client. So once we were done with our first draft, kids already knew we need to meet client, get the feedback. We are going to come one by one and share our idea with him. Prathama,
He had selected few drafts, one of it was mine. He liked the material, not the shoes. I used rubber boots because the snow can be a little like watery, so then you don't feel cold.
How will you waterproof the rubber? Because if water gets into rubber, then that is a big problem.
what I really see is when the person from real life comes to meet them, they took it positively. We are working for you. You have to use it and you have to feel comfortable. So whatever you say, we take it.
Doesn't matter if we are wrong, we just keep trying. We are going to keep trying until the client tell it's perfect.
Bye, good luck and work. You're doing really well. You all can do much better. I like it. Okay? Chalo. Bye-bye.
Once he is agreeing to the design, we are going to stitch one adult size uniform, saying that this is what it looks like and feels like, and then giving it to the client.
So when you have a client project, there are a lot of skills that children build. One is the content skills, but it's also collaboration that takes place, the problem solving that gets done. Children learn to take and give constructive feedback. So a lot of these things that prepare them for life.
And when they drive something, there's 100% engagement, 100% efforts by kids. We are using their strategies in our real life. They will never forget it.